At the Consumer Electronics Show 2011 in Las Vegas, it's clear that everything that benefits from a connection will have one. At CES, Ericsson partnered with AT&T at their Developer Summit, and we spoke with AT&T about the day's activities and the possibilities that result from 50 billion connected devices.
You know, the best thing about today was what I call the marrying of kind of the three core components of what customers want. First, they want a great network, right? Second, they want great devices, and third, they have to have great applications. And if you look at who has been successful over the last year, it's those companies that have that ecosystem of those three. What we're seeing now is these application developers becoming more and more and more important to us, to the device manufacturers, and really mostly important to our customers, because the application is what's driving the excitement.
The way Ericsson and AT&T get to the point where 50 billion connections are possible is we really need to work with AT&T to understand that it's the network, it's the device, it's the applications, and it's the ability to bill for the services that AT&T wants to provide. Once we get all four of those combined and we partner with AT&T, that's what makes 50 billion connections possible.
Ericsson's providing mobile broadband modules, which is the nucleus, the key pillar of connecting a device to any network, is the connectivity, and we provide this component. And we are a market leader in this sector. And we bring these modules to extremely attractive price points with AT&T to allow the market to grow at an accelerated rate.
At the Developer Summit, AT&T and Ericsson brought a new application to market. Ericsson's Keith Shank explains.
What we did was took a look at how we could create, using the LTE network, existing devices and make them work over the system. So Jeff, if you'll step in, I'll show you a little bit of an example of what we built in our camera. This is a standard off-the-shelf Sony camera, and then we had a backpack constructed that has our entire system built in, and created a system to allow video live feeding over the LTE network. Here I have a Makito encoder and a small PC that acts as a router with an LTE dongle. And then my battery packs are here to allow this to run full time. We have the application to stream high quality 6 megabit uplink video for news coverage or for video coverage over the system, allowing us to use off-the-shelf components right out of the box, giving AT&T a strong argument as to how the system can be used with the existing network elements.
Whether it's a new device, a new application, or a new partnership, it's all about working together.
I'm a big partnership guy. I don't like vendor-supplier relationships. I like to sit down with somebody, Ericsson's a great example, and say, how do we be successful? We. And then how do we make sure the customer gets the right end result? What I saw today, what I see where we're having success are true trusted partnerships working together to an end result. And when I look at what Ericsson's done with us in multiple facets, network, what we've done together around embedded modules, et cetera, that's about partnership. That's about us understanding each other's businesses. It's about us understanding what the customer wants. It's about us executing together to deliver that. That's where we're going to be successful.